With the holidays approaching, we all want to look our best, and we're going to show you a safe and effective way to burn more calories here at Around the Clock Fitness in Fort Myers. We are here with Rich, the CrossFit coach. So tell us, what are some of the things that we can expect to see today?
Well, this is a great one of our active recovery workouts. It's the EMOM. It's 30 minutes of work. There's about 5 different activities they're doing. This is one they're doing right now. It's a Russian kettlebell swing. Today we're running. We're doing planks, our kettlebell swings, our pendulum row, and our ominous and very challenging assault bikes. Everybody loves those. So that's kind of we're doing every minute on the minute. They have to do X amount of work in a period of time, then they get some rest time in between before they go to move on to the next exercise.
Yes, and I noticed before you started that you guys were all standing around and you were talking to them about something. What was that all about?
Well, it's very important. We actually go over all the parameters of the workout, and then we look at fitness levels and some of the age groups, but also we scale it. So we go over the correct form for every activity we do, make sure everybody's safe, and then we'll also scale it to make sure if somebody's a beginner athlete or intermediate or advanced, how to make sure it's appropriate fitness levels that's safe for them to do the great workout.
Well, I'm interested. So how does everybody sign up for a class?
Well, that's a great question. We love everybody to come. We have 6 wonderful locations. This is our Boy Scout location, and they can call the club here at 239-931-6664 or go to aroundtheclockfitness.com and check out the schedules and get a free pass and a complimentary week to the club to come in and check it out.
We're here at LensCrafters, and we're going to go in and discuss with Dr. Whetstone some of the different charities that they're a part of and how you can get your next eye exam. We're here with Dr. Whetstone, and I heard you're a part of a charity, and you just got back from Thailand, so tell us about that.
Just got back from Thailand, Morgan. It was an absolutely amazing experience. We were there for almost 2 weeks, and the goal was to do 5,700 eye examinations in those 2 weeks. We actually did 6,500, handed out brand new eyeglasses to people that we saw. One Sight is an organization that was started by the founders of LensCrafters. They started about 35 years ago, and in their first 5 years they were focused on the business and getting the business up and rolling. And in the 5th year they decided that it was time to give back, so they established this charitable organization. Then it was called Gift to Sight, but it has since moved into what we call One Sight. The goal was to give better and better eye care. And so at this point, what you would get in my office today is almost the exact same thing that we do on a One Sight mission trip.
That's incredible. Now tell us about the different eye examinations and when I should get mine.
Well, you should probably get your first eye examination about the age of 4 or 5 and do it on an annual basis. I would strongly recommend getting an annual eye examination no matter what age you are. Certainly the younger you are, it's more important in terms of making sure that you can see clearly, but the older we get, it's more important in terms of picking up any diseases that can threaten your eyesight.
So how can our viewers schedule an appointment?
Morgan, that's a great question. It's a very easy thing to do. Pick up the phone, 239-649-1650, extension 1. Happy to see you.
We're here with Angela Kane, owner of Lotus Restorative Yoga Room. Now, Angela, tell us a little bit about your business.
Well, Morgan, my business offers more than just private yoga. It's about wellness, changing your lifestyle and thinking to lead a more well-balanced, healthier life by restoring, renewing, and repairing your body through detoxification. We have the Beamer mat, which is an incredible German device that effectively stimulates the immune system because the white blood cells are activated by the increased oxygen supply. We are putting toxins and heavy metals in our bodies every day. By using the far infrared sauna, the body's cellular detoxification process will be stimulated. If you'd like to learn more about detoxing your body, look on my website, lotusrestorativeyogoroom.com, or call me 239-290-2643.
We're visiting Dr. Carmen Alino's office here in Fort Myers. Let's find out what technological developments set him apart from the other dentists in the area. We are here with Dr. Carmen Alino. So tell us about the technological developments that have made implants more available for the average person.
We have recently had an advancement in radiology that takes a CT scan and makes it small so that we can use it in dentistry. We can get small areas of the mouth in fine detail in 3 dimensions. I have a rendering up here that if a person wanted a dental implant, now we can take this 3-dimensional picture and it tells us exactly where we can place the implant while avoiding all the key structures like sinuses and nerves and things like that, making it much more convenient for the patient.
Now, doctor, if someone was going to get some cosmetic work done, how do they know that they're going to like the finished product?
We use a combination of photography and model work to help patients understand what we can provide. We'll take impressions of their teeth, and in the laboratory we'll design their case. And then we have a guide to go by that allows us to produce what we thought we could produce on photographs. And we can take something like this and produce this. So we try to give our patients information ahead of time on what we intend to do and how it will look before we start.
So how does everybody get in contact with you?
Our phone number is 239-333-1140, and we have a website, draulino.com.
We're at France Eye Care in Fort Myers. Let's go speak with Dr. France to learn about the newest innovations in eye care. Dr. France, tell us, what are some of the latest advances in cataract surgery?
Well, the two big things that we're working on right now, number one, there's a new intraocular lens that's an extended depth of focus lens, and it's called the Symphony lens. And it's a really great lens because it allows people to be able to see distance, intermediate, and most things up close with no glasses. And it's unlike other lenses because it gives people really good, sharp vision. There's no issue with night vision concerns. It also allows us to correct astigmatism, which we've not been able to do with some of the other lenses. And one of the really important things is when you're having cataract surgery, that's our best time to get your vision corrected. And I'll never have the opportunity to correct your vision as well as I can by choosing the right lens implant.
What are the ways that we can eliminate our reading glasses?
Well, there's great new technology called corneal inlay technology. And these are things that we're able to do where we insert a lens in the front layers of the eye called the cornea, and that can reduce your dependence on reading glasses. So with these inlays, many people don't need any reading glasses, and they have no loss of distance vision.
So how can people get in touch for a consultation?
Well, you can learn about these technologies and many other technologies by calling our office, 239-418-0999, or going to our website, bettervision.net.
We're here at Gulf Hearing Aid Center, where they've been providing hearing services to Naples since 1971. Let's go meet with Nancy to find out more. We're here with Nancy, the audiologist. Now tell us a little bit about some of the benefits that are offered here.
We've been here longer than anybody else in town, and we're not the biggest, but we absolutely can say we give the best service in town. And if you have a problem with your hearing aid, even if you haven't bought it here, we'd be glad to help you with it.
Now, if somebody calls in and they have a problem, what should they do?
Well, if they call us, we can sometimes help them over the phone, but otherwise they're welcome to come in. We don't charge for an office visit for that to come in and let us look at the hearing aid, but they have to come in and see us. And it makes it so much easier when they do that because it may be a minor repair, it may be an adjustment in the hearing aid, whatever it is, we try to zero in on that particular patient's needs and take care of that as quickly as possible.
Now, Nancy, describe to us a little bit about your role here.
We look in their ears to make sure there's not any sort of blockage or any sort of a problem, test the hearing, and then go from there. Sometimes they need a hearing aid, sometimes they don't. Sometimes if they do need a hearing aid, they know nothing. So we start with the different types of hearing aids, the different levels of technology. I feel like my goal is to help people to hear better so their life is better, not to be all about their hearing aids.
How can our viewers get in contact with you?
The best way to contact us is to call our phone number, which is 262-2288, or through gulfhearingaid.com. For anybody who wants to come in, it's free. Come in, talk to us, and get an idea, and maybe just get educated on what hearing aids are about.
This is Planet Fitness in Cape Coral, and they have so many different things that they offer. Let's go take a look. We are here with Kim, the general manager. So now that summer is ending, what are some of the trends that you see people doing?
Definitely the tanning beds. We have 2 lie down and 2 stand up, so you don't have to lose your glow. You come in here and for 9 to 15 minutes you're able to get a nice tan and you won't lose any of your color.
Now, what are some of the options for working out?
So we have Jordan, who's our fitness instructor on staff. So what he'll do is he'll take you through a workout, kind of motivate you. If you're stuck in a routine, he'll come in here and be able to show you what to do and maybe amp up your workout a little bit more.
So what are the steps that the trainer goes through?
So what he does, a lot of time, most of our members are first-time gym users. So our program, it's called Design Your Own Program, and this is where he will sit down with you, he'll go over your goals with you, and write you out a program based on those goals.
How does everybody get more information?
So check out our website, it's planetfitness.com, or give us a call at 239-800-3155.
Hey everyone, we're in Estero, Florida, visiting the Conowall Vision Center, where the focus is on you. Let's go meet the doctor to find out more. We are here with Dr. Alexandra Conowall. So tell us a little bit about your practice.
So I am a cornea and cataract specialist. I'm an ophthalmologist, so I do LASIK surgery for patients that want to eliminate their dependence on glasses and contacts. I also do cataract surgery. I use a laser for blade-free surgery and implant the newest technology lenses that give patients the ability to see near, intermediate, and distance without glasses. We also do, it's a full-service ophthalmology practice, so we do regular eye exams, contact lens fittings. We also do cosmetic procedures. I do Botox and Juvederm and Radiesse. And we offer Latisse for people that want to have longer, thicker eyelashes. And we have a full-service optical with a nice selection of sunglasses as well.
Now, what is laser cataract surgery?
So laser cataract surgery basically is where a laser is used to make incisions in the cornea. So it's used to make the cap for LASIK, and it's also used for patients to break up the cataract and soften it. So the procedure just is much more accurate and precise. It's just a more elegant way of doing surgery.
How does everybody find out more?
They can call our office. The phone number here is 239-948-7555, or go to our website, which is drconowall.com, and we do free consultations for cataract, LASIK, and cosmetic procedures.
We're at Lehigh General and Implant Dentistry, where they have multiple specialists for your dental health. Let's go meet one of the doctors and find out all the services they provide. Dr. Lottridge, thank you so much for having us at your office today. Can you tell us what aspects of dentistry that you focus on?
Oh, absolutely. We're lucky we have 4 partners here in the office, so we could perform pretty much every aspect from implants, restoring them as well as placing them, orthodontics, Invisalign, cosmetic dentistry, periodontics, surgeries. So a lot of things we could turn around the same day.
Yes, and how does dentistry affect your overall health?
Glad you asked that. A lot of the diseases in dentistry in your mouth are not noticed right away. So the bacteria and the infection, and you could even have pus, and you don't feel the pain. That bacteria is getting into your body and affecting your overall health, affecting your heart, and just your general health.
And what is your main focus regarding patient care?
At Lehigh General and Implant Dentistry, we want to make our patients feel comfortable. So we focus on patient care, customer service, and education.
Now, how can people get in touch with you to find out more?
There are several ways. They could reach us online at lehighDentistry.com, or they could give us a call at 239-369-5897. We'd love to meet them.
Today we're visiting IVF MD at South Florida Institute for Reproductive Medicine. Let's find out what they do and how they can help you. We're sitting here with Dr. Alford. So tell us a little bit about what you guys do here.
We help all aspects of women's care as it relates to reproduction. We can do anything that involves with endocrine issues, as well as anything that involves infertility issues, all the way to more aggressive forms of treating infertility, such as in vitro fertilization, donor eggs.
Now, what are some of the causes of female infertility?
The most common factor for infertility for females is disorders of ovulation. A female who is in their 30s and they haven't decided that they have a partner yet, but they want to preserve their fertility, one of the really good things that we can do to offset the decline in fertility, then they can come in and we can assess their fertility and see if they are a good candidate to freeze their eggs.
What are some things a man can do to best assure that his sperm is okay?
It mainly comes down to healthy lifestyle choices. There are several aspects of infertility and there are several manners that we can treat it.
Yes, and what is your contact information if people do have questions?
Our website information is ivfmd.com. All of our information is on that website. Our telephone number is 239-687-5600.
We're here at Naples Pharmacy, located right in the heart of downtown, right by Wynn's. Let's find out what makes this pharmacy different than all the rest in the area. We are here with Michael Aquino, the owner and pharmacist. So what made you decide to open an independent pharmacy here in Naples?
Yes, well, I was born and raised here in Naples, and it's really just given me an opportunity to give back to the community. Having my own pharmacy and being able to contribute to Naples and the community is just an awesome feeling.
So what's the difference between your pharmacy and some of the other bigger ones around?
Sure. There are some differences. There's also some similarities. One of them is we all get the medicines from the same warehouses, the same distributors. We're competitively priced. We accept the same insurances, including all Medicare Part D plans, and the copays are going to be the same no matter where the patient goes. The other difference is we really have a focus on the patient, and we treat them with respect. We're building relationships with them. And we also offer a whole host of services. We have a same-day delivery that we do here in Naples. We do medication therapy management, so patients are encouraged, bring in your prescriptions, bring in the over-the-counter things, I'll look through them. We have a private consultation room. We also offer medical supplies that we'll deliver, so it's not just prescriptions.
Well, if people have questions, how can they find out more about the pharmacy?
Absolutely. They can call us. The phone number is 239-231-3026. You can also email us, naplespharmacy@gmail.com.
We are so excited to be here at Specific Care Chiropractic at one of 3 of their locations here in Lehigh Acres. Let's go find out more about this amazing practice. So why should people choose your office versus the others?
Well, our doctors and our staff here are highly trained, and we go out of our way each day to make sure each patient feels like a family member. And you will be able to experience that when you come in, and it'll be remarkable.
We are here with Dr. Jeffrey Peck. So can you tell us a little bit about your practice and your experience within the community?
Well, it's hard to believe, but I opened up Specific Care Chiropractic 22 years ago. We now have 3 locations, Lehigh Acres, Fort Myers, and Cape Coral. We also have 5 doctors on staff with a combined experience of almost 70 years. So pretty much if you're coming in with something, we have seen it before.
Now, what types of patients and cases do you usually see?
At our offices, we see a very wide range of patients, anywhere from infants all the way up to elderly. We accept all insurances, but we do have an emphasis in personal injury patients with whiplash injuries.
So how can everybody get in contact?
Well, they can reach us at our main office at 239-369-9109, or they can go online and reach us at our website at sc-chiro.com.
We're here with Dr. Anthony Barone, the chiropractic physician here at Naples Diet and Wellness Center. Now tell us about some of the services that you offer.
Well, Morgan, I'm a licensed chiropractic physician in the state of Florida. I have 32 years of experience. I offer traditional chiropractic care, complete chiropractic care to patients in the area. But recently I've decided within the last 7 years to really focus my practice on weight loss, because there are so many conditions that are tied to it, like diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, just to name a few, and really the top 3. So by helping people to obtain a healthy body weight, we can really focus on getting them healthy. If you have any questions, or you want to find out more about the weight loss services and the Zerona fat reduction laser that I offer, you can visit my website at thenaplesdiet.com, or feel free to call me at 239-231-5471.
Today we're in Bonita Springs visiting Arc of Life Family Spinal Care, where they are adding life to your years. We are here with Dr. Drew and Dr. Kanema Clark. So tell us a little bit about your business.
We focus on getting to the root cause of your health concerns. So we learned in grade school that the brain controls everything in the body. It does so by communicating through all those nerves to every cell, every tissue, and every organ. Well, obviously, if that's not communicating appropriately, it leads to dysfunction. So instead of focusing on the symptoms, we focus on getting to the root cause of why those symptoms exist. You get rid of the cause, the symptom goes away.
Yes, and who can benefit from this type of treatment?
Really, anyone can benefit in our office with care. We have a saying here at Arc of Life that it's much, much easier to raise healthy children than to repair damaged adults. With that, we want to have the kids checked as soon as possible, just to make sure that there's no interference to the system that's regulating and controlling everything in the body. We feel that that's hugely, hugely important as far as for your health.
So what makes your care so unique?
Actually, we focus on a very specific type of chiropractic. It's called upper cervical. So each adjustment is unique to that individual person. So we're able to relieve the stress and pressure from the nerves and allow the body to heal, function, adapt without any of the force.
How does everybody get more information?
Absolutely. Well, you can reach us at a phone number, 239-200-7248. You can always check us out on our website. We have a lot of useful and great content up there. It's choosehealthswfl.com. We're also on Facebook.
We're at Hair Boutique and More in the Flamingo Island Market. And if you want to change your hair color here, it's as simple as a clip. We are here with Karen, the owner. So tell us about the wigs that we have behind us here.
Hi, Katie. Thanks for inviting us on the program. Wigs today come in different types of construction. That's probably the most important part when a client is choosing a wig. So we have a machine-made wig. Those are really the least expensive wigs in the market. Then we have what they call a monofilament top. It's a more natural look. And then we have the queen of the wigs, which is the 100% hand-tied. You would never know. There are so many people out there wearing wigs, and Katie, I guarantee you, especially if they get them from your shop, you will never know my client is wearing a wig.
And you have some other things in the store too.
I do. We sell hair pieces, and we sell little round twist hair pieces, which you can just take, make a ponytail, twist it around, okay? Then we have clip-ons where you can pull your hair in a ponytail and clip on that ponytail for length. And there's so many different types of hair pieces.
Well, Karen, how does everybody find you?
Okay, well, please come and see us at the Flamingo Island Market. We're located in the red section, number 120. If you park near the grand entrance or gate 3 and come on in, you'll find us easily. And if you'd like to make an appointment, please give me a call at 877-837-9013.
Edison Smart Fitness, located in Naples, Florida, where they not only offer 24/7 access, but they also offer insurance paid programs such as Silver Sneakers and Silver and Fit. Let's go meet with one of the owners and let's go see the inside. We're here with Ed McCormick, part owner and manager. Now, I noticed when I first walked in all of the advanced technology, the new equipment, this upscale environment. So tell us a little bit about it all.
Yes, we are very excited to be a showcase gym for Cybex. And Cybex is known for having some of the safest and most efficient treadmills on the market.
So what makes Edison Smart Fitness so different?
Well, we first of all are a 24-hour facility. So you can have access anytime, day or night, even on holidays. And also, each member with an annual membership gets a free hour of personal training. So we can help them get on their way to get started to accomplish their goals.
I noticed you have such a large fitness room, so tell us a little bit about that.
But we do offer different fitness classes, mornings and evenings. Right now we're offering Zumba, Pilates, yoga, body sculpt, and bar class. And all of the fitness classes are included with your membership.
Now, how do our viewers get more information about obtaining a membership?
Well, they can call us at 239-304-9177, or they can visit us online. Our email, info@edisonsmartfitnessnaples.com, or our website, edisonsmartfitnessnaples.com.
We're at Dr. Garamone's office in Fort Myers, and today they're going to show us one of their newest devices in non-invasive fat removal. We are here with Chris, the lead esthetician. So what do you have to show us today?
We're going to talk about Sculpture today. It's our new fat reduction device that we're using here in our office. Sculpture uses lipolysis, which is a heat-based system, and it's really great for reducing fat, especially those small pockets of fat that we have problems getting rid of with exercise and diet. There is not a whole lot of downtime with this.
And how is this different than cool sculpting?
Okay, cool sculpting is also a very, very good procedure. We do both here in our office. Cool sculpting is more when the tissue can be drawn into the vacuum. We do that for a lot of our patients. It's very, very good. That is cryolipolysis. So it's using a different technique altogether. It couldn't be more opposite. It's cold versus heat.
So what is the alternative if someone is not a candidate for sculpture or cool sculpting?
What we do is we assess the patient when they come in, and my job is to really guide them in customizing their treatment. So if we feel together that this maybe isn't for them and they'd like to go a little bit more invasive with surgery, then we have Dr. Garamone here. We set them up with a consultation. They're always complimentary here, which is amazing. Dr. Garamone will go through everything with them, and then we decide together which route they want to take.
How can people contact you?
Feel free to call our office at 239-482-1900 or contact us through our website at garamone.com.
We're visiting Bikram Yoga Naples, and there's something very special about this type of yoga. Let's go find out what it's all about. We are here with Jeanette Glusky, the owner. So tell us about Bikram Yoga. What makes it unique?
Well, it's devised of 26 postures, and the postures were put together scientifically to work with any type of body. So it's really a healing set more than a workout. A lot of people think yoga is a workout these days, and this set is really designed to heal. We work through 26 postures every class, 2 breathing exercises, and that touches every single part of your body.
Now, who can do this type of yoga?
Well, it's really for anybody. There's a starting point for each posture. They're all beginning postures, but there's no ending point. So there's a place for everybody to start.
What are some of the benefits of this type of yoga?
Well, number one is stress reduction. That's what I hear most from most of my students. Also, it helps with anxiety, tension, works through circulation, helps people to heal joints. We move the synovial joint fluid all the way through the joints. So the yoga really helps people to concentrate better. It helps to gain a sense of focus in your life.
So how do we sign up?
Okay. Well, that's pretty easy. We've got a couple of really cool things going on. On Saturdays, the last Saturday of every month at 11 o'clock, we do a free yoga class. We also have a beginner's special, which is just $79 for a whole month of unlimited yoga. Doing a whole month of yoga, you'll be able to start to understand the benefits that this practice can do for you.
So how can we get in touch?
Best way is through the website, BikramYogaNaples.com. You can also call us 239-596-4549 or stop by for our free class.
We're here at the Cataract and Refractive Institute of Florida, located in Cape Coral. Let's go speak to Dr. Curley and see what all he has to offer. We're here with Dr. Curley. Now tell us about some new technologies that you use for your cataract patients.
Yes, we have a special piece of equipment called eye trace that measures the different aberrations in your vision system, the visual axis, if it's in the center of your eye or a little bit off center. So with all these aberrations in the design of your eye, we can then make decisions about the best procedure to get you the best surgical result from your cataract surgery. We also use a LensStar, which is a different machine that actually chooses the intraocular lens that we would put in your eye. So we use all this technology to be able to plan and customize the surgery so we can give you the least amount of glass prescription when we're finished.
Okay, now when should I consider having my cataract surgery done?
The cataract surgery should be considered when your lifestyle is being altered. That is, you're having trouble driving a car at night, especially with glare from the cataracts. When your lifestyle is being limited, that's when to decide to have cataract surgery.
Now, how do new patients get in contact with you for a consultation?
Well, our main office, you can contact us at 239-772-2122. Our website is Florida, spelled out, cataract.com. You can reach us through that. And if you would like to come in and you mention this TV program, we'll give you a free screening of those things.
Hey, we're in Naples about to interview Dr. George Mantikas. He's got some amazing rejuvenation dentistry options for us, so let's find out more. And doctor, first of all, there are so many whitening products on the market. Can you explain those to us?
Oh, there are so many. You're absolutely correct. It starts with toothpaste, and then you go into some other products like white strips, and they have a 14% hydrogen peroxide base on it that helps get out some superficial staining of the teeth. We use something called shear white, and that is a 20% solution that gets into the second layer of the tooth structure and helps get a lot of the deep stainings out. And lastly, there's actually an in-office one that works very well. We get about 5 or 6 shades lighter after one sitting.
So doctor, what about rejuvenating dentistry? What is that?
Okay, that's a great question. So rejuvenating dentistry is making your smile look like you were younger. We do many things. One of them could be the whitening. Second is bonding, where we actually bond material on these teeth. Third is putting porcelain veneers on the teeth, which actually give you a nice luster of the teeth, and we can reshape your teeth to where they were. We can crown a tooth with all these porcelain materials that actually make it look great. Or a lot of times we use a combination of all these together in order to rejuvenate your smile.
So Dr. Mantikas, how can we find out more?
Well, you can contact us by telephone at 239-262-6000, or you can check us out on the website at drmantikas.com.